I'm Lon from Exeloo, and today I'll be doing a demonstration on how to install Futurewood battens to a unit. So the first step are the male clips. They are to be screwed around the centre holes all around the unit. You have a middle hole, bottom hole and a top hole. To screw these off, you need 3/4 inch countersunk square head screws, a drill with a square drive. Clips them all off. Once you've gone around the entirety of the unit and put the male clips on, it's time to start working with the batten. So on a couple of stools, load all your battens face up so that the female clip hole is facing upwards, which is the back of the batten. You have the female fast mount clip, and again using the 3/4 inch countersunk square drive screws, place the clip in each of those holes and fasten it off. You are now going to need Seeker primer, marine grade. So pour it in a mixing cup, and with your 20mm brush, brush the entire back edge of those battens. Be mindful when you are brushing the primer on, not to get any primer down the edges of the batten as they are seen. Keep it in the centre. Wait for this to dry for 20 minutes. Your next step is to get either Seeker 221 or Bostik 7003. Once your primer is dry, it's time to use your glue gun and put a 6mm bead down the centre of the batten. Now you're going to want to keep the glue away from the edge around about 15mm to stop glue spewing, and keep it as central as possible to stop it coming out the sides. To fit the batten, you want to keep it as vertical as possible. Line it up with the top hole, centralise it, find where the two clips meet, and press down, and the batten will hold. And you are using 2-inch countersunk square head screws. Just give it a light nip, don't over tighten it or it will strip the edipan sheet. So the batten is now secured. For any battens that are on the corners or are attached to a steel beam on the frame, you'll be using M6 by 50 posi screws and they can still be tightened up using the square drive. These particular battens will be marked to let you know what ones require the M6x50 screws. Once you've gone through and completed all of the batten installation, you will need to drill some plugs. So these, and to fit these, place them over the hole, give it a tap, and knock it all the way in. Use your multi-tool and trim them off flush with the batten. Keep the tool flat on the batten so as you don't damage the front face. Go around the unit and do that to all of the plugs. And the last step, just some 40 grit sandpaper. Follow the grain of the batten, which is vertical. Batten installation complete.